Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of the Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. Over here we do budgeting as well as first-time home ownership type things. We're doing Vlogmas. Burr, 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 burr. We're hitting you up with the Vlogmas. We always have little vlogs here and there, lifestyle content, whatever you want to do, whatever you like. Hit us up. Just hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. It is free $99. Today's video is just going to be kind of a relaxed day vlog. Came from work. I went and got some gas. I'll insert some footage. And then I went to the Dollar Tree because that Dollar Tree was right next to the gas station. Because y'all know I was on the hunt for those beef patties, okay? I was like, no, we're going to check. And to my surprise, they had like at least 4 or 5 boxes out there of them stocked. Now, obviously in high demand because they really put out a lot. But none of the mild was available, only the spicy. Lucky for me, I actually like spicy, so that worked out. So let me show you what I picked up, because you know you can't go, like Nigel would say, budget in the bacon, BTB, the head bacon in charge. Hey, boo. She's like, you know you can't even, who you joking? Who you kidding? You can't even go into the store, boo, without buying more than one thing. So I did get my spicy beef patties, and girl, they're golden crust. You can't even beat that. That's a brand, okay?
I picked up 6, I think. 2, 3, 4, 5.
6 beef patties. If you know the reference, write it in the comments. And then I picked up some. Now, never seen these, and I need to look at my receipt to know whether or not how much I paid for it, y'all. And funny enough, I know exactly my total because my total was $20.22, and the cashier made the comment that, oh, 2022, like you won't have a good end of the year. I said, I know that's right. But I'll check and see how much this was and leave it on the screen. I don't remember if it was $3 or $1.25. I feel like it was in the $3 section. And y'all know, if you don't know, I like Asian and Mexican food along with, of course, Caribbean cuisine. But I saw these Bibigo Korean flavor steamed dumplings with chicken and vegetable with a sauce included. I feel like you get 6 of them on like a tray, and they're microwavable. Do I think I'm gonna make mine in the microwave? I don't know, because those are the only directions I'm seeing. But I'm interested to give these a try, right? Who else likes Asian food? And let me know in the comments. What's your favorite kind of outside cuisine? Then I picked up, I think just one. Picked up 1 pack of these crackers because I can go a little ham on them. Then I picked up some Cheez-Its because they're like my fave. I got some white cheddar Cheez-Its. These are just for the snacks for the desk. You know I gotta stay snacked up. Not really sure why I bought this. I think I just saw them, was like, oh, let's try. Cold Stone Creamer artificially flavored candy canes. It's supposed to be mint chocolate chip, which first of all, I don't even like mint chocolate chip. Sorry, you guys. And then our strawberry sundae, that one might be delicious, and our birthday cake flavor. Had I read these, I would have not gotten this, because the only thing I'm probably going to enjoy is the strawberry one. It's for other people. Tara, just leave them out in the dish, you know. And then I picked up some of these little LED fairy light things because I haven't seen them in white, clear white. Normally they have the little gnomes on them or something like that. So I picked up 2 packs because, you know, they be small. And so I'm thinking about taking this and putting this on the wreath that I DIY'd and instead of having the plug-in light, so that I can just turn it on in the evenings when I'm in the kitchen, because right now I don't like plugging it in and out, and I definitely don't like that cord. So yeah, I'm excited for that. And y'all know I'm stocked with batteries. That is not a problem. Okay, and then I picked up 2 more things. Is that it? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's it. I have 2 more things. Let me explain. So I'm going to show you guys, probably going to work on that this evening. My coffee table was the one place that wasn't completely styled. And I do have those 4 houses I'd gotten from Aldi last year. And I'm going to put them in like a tray on the coffee table. I had bought these, you've probably already seen this, that I bought these little faux trees from Walmart. And I'm going to put them so it's like a scape. And then I bought faux deer. But when I put the deer next to the houses, the deer was really big. And so the scale of it is really big. But I think it's going to still look cute. And the nice thing is that the deer that I bought, that you would have seen in the Walmart haul, are ornaments. So if I don't use them there, I can hang them on my tree. But I did, saying all that to freaking say that I picked up some fairy garden figurines, which is like a 2 deers, and a bear. And I'm going to see if they're a better fit for around the houses. A little more, how you say, to scale. And then I wanted to go back and buy another one of my little guys that I have on the console table. The little gnome guy that looks like a little black chocolate man Santa. Some little chocolate gnome, and they didn't have any more chocolate gnomes. I'm so glad I bought him when I did. So, but what I did find is this little clay ornament that is also a little brown guy. So he's not gonna stand, he's flat, so he's like a little clay ornament. Absolutely will put him on a tree, but right now I think I'm gonna see if he looks like leaned up against one of the houses, like he lives there. Okay, so, and that way I can actually bring in some red in the decor on the table, because all the things I have right now would be very neutral on that table. So yeah, we'll see how that works out. So y'all will probably just, this vlog's gonna be very chill. That's all I got. And I'll probably show y'all how I set up the center coffee table. It's going to be pretty simple, but I think it's going to come out really cute. And then we're going to put a few things in our hot cocoa little coker. What's a coker? Our little hot cocoa dispenser. And then I need to cook, because my beef and broccoli was slamming, okay? If y'all are watching these or getting these in order, you know what I'm talking about. My beef and broccoli was slamming at work today. It was delicious with that brown rice, baby. So I'm excited to have it for lunch tomorrow, but now I don't have any dinner. I do have salad, but I think I'm going to make my chicken that I had marinated. I'm going to make chicken parm and have that with salad instead of having it like with pasta or something like that. Just chill out a little bit on the carb content. And yeah, I think that's probably all we're gonna do, because I still need to edit this video and edit another video. But I'm feeling really good about where I'm at with these Vlogmas videos, you guys. I'm really feeling good about it. I feel like I have like 3 in the queue and 2 throwback videos from like Thanksgiving that I didn't post at all, which can be my throwback Thursday and flashback Friday if I run out of content. And then we only have like a week to go. And then there's another video I'm really working on with my goals and stuff, but I don't want it to get mixed up in the Vlogmas, if that makes sense, like, because there's so many videos coming at you, so many times I want you guys to actually see my goals video and all that. And oh my god, I just want to, before we go, I want to shout out and send some love to all you beautiful people that are always checking me out on the daily, like on the daily. Shout out to Lushawn, which Lushawn lifestyler out, girl, lifestyler out. But and D budgeting D is always checking me out. Candace is bearing it with Candace is always checking me out. KB is checking me out. Not KB, 21 Cali Girls. KG is always checking me out. My girl Crystal, both Crystals, K and the C, always checking me checking me out. My girl Tahani, what's up Tahani? I missed you. I just saw your comments the other day. I think my other friend, I don't remember her name, but she just changed her thing to like postal planner, I think. Always checking me out. Like so many people. I know I'm gonna miss some. But I love y'all. so much. You are truly appreciated. Those are just the ones that pop off the top of my head. Like, y'all are always commenting, y'all are always chatting with me, and y'all don't even know how good that feels. Tasha, girl, Tasha, how can I forget you? Mind Your Money is always checking me out, like always leaving a comment, so I know she's checking me out. I know there's a few of you that watch and don't comment, and that's fine too. I love the views, y'all. I love it. Hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the like button. Anyway, because I don't want this video to be super long, and we're already at 10 minutes. I want to keep this under 20. I'm gonna go now, and if I can think of anybody else that I really forgot to say, I'll probably put your name on the screen. So shout out to y'all. Y'all are the real MVPs. I hope your Christmas is going amazing. All right, bye for now. So I do like this. It's super cute. A little bear. Or is it a dog? I don't even know what that is. I think it's a dog. And then the deer. And the trees. Now the big deers are really out of proportion, but they're so cute. I might just leave them on the table like that. What did you like better? This configuration or the one with just the 2 deers in it? I'll show you guys what it looks like with the lights on. Alright guys, let's get cooking. We got some parm, we got some marinara, panko breadcrumbs, mozzarella cheese, an egg, salt, Italian seasoning, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, crushed red pepper, salt, and flour. And here we are just with our dredging station. Everything has been seasoned up. We've got the chicken ready to go into the flour that's been seasoned, the egg that's been seasoned, and then we have the panko crumbs mixed with the Parmesan cheese, broken up and mixed together. Just doing our down the line situation while the pot is heating up, as well as you saw that the sauce was heating up as well. I added some seasoning to that also. Pan is hot. We're adding the chicken. Once you hear the sizzle, gotta get all that.
Nobody told me.
Hey everybody, thanks so much for rocking with me tonight. Thanks for watching. Remember, all things are always working out for your good. I just had a piece of that chicken parm and it is delicious. It's so good. It's actually moist. Usually I hate chicken breast because it's dry, but it is good. I'm adding it to the roster. I would definitely make it again. But I hope you enjoyed all our little together time. And God willing, I'll see you tomorrow. Remember, all things are always out working out for your good. Have a wonderful, blessed day, y'all. Bye.